morning, Vlogmas day 14. So we did film another little intro that I will show in a minute, but bless him, Stephen was filming and he does have a penchant for putting his finger over the microphone, which is very, very easy to do with this camera. I totally give him that. Poor guy, he's like, oh no, I've done it again. But anyway, yes. So this is the intro, and then I'll show you the kind of bonus intro in a minute. But I am home alone. Stephen takes out B on a Saturday morning with his dad's group, which is so lovely. Lovely for him, lovely for me. And I actually just slept. It was quite funny actually, because we were up at, well, B was up at 6, but she did sleep until 6, which was amazing, and she refused her dream feed. So she's going like 11 hours without milk, which is just incredible, really. So yeah, so that happened. She was up at 6. I brought her into bed with us and we were having a snuggle. She was quite upset, so I kind of, you know, was trying to make her happy. And we gave her some milk. We gave her a bottle then, because she was obviously hungry. And then Stephen was like, let's put on a Christmas movie because it's really lovely and snuggly. So we started watching the Polar Express and B just fell asleep, and it was so cute. She literally did that thing where she was like nodding. So she fell asleep. We put her back to bed. Well, in between us, and we watched the rest of Polar Express, but then I fell asleep like pretty soon after. And then Stephen woke me up like, I've got to go, I've got Dad's walk is beginning, it's 9 o'clock. I was like, oh gosh, okay, so got them all ready. And then I was like, right, what should I do? I'm feeling really knackered still, I'm just going to watch a bit more of the Polar Express and then I'll get up. And then I fell asleep again. So I've actually been asleep most of the time, till about 11, which was amazing. So now I'm rushing around trying to do all the things I was meant to do then, which is like hoovering and stuff. I'm not going to get it done. I think Stephen's already on his way back, so I'm super behind, but I thought I would just film this instead and be even later. But I've been stripping the bed and yeah, I'm just going to do some housework now, so I will see you in a bit.
Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we're going to the Kentish Town City Farm today.
Yeah.
Mum is doing final checks on there.
Yeah, I just need to get some warm water in there.
Feeding May.
Water in there. Oh.
You're all moomined up to the max.
Yeah, I'm a bit moominoo. Moominoo.
You look like you're wearing a parachutist's outfit there. And who have you got there, B? Is that Paddington? You have no idea what you're about to get for Christmas, do you? No spoilers, but he's currently sitting in the front passenger seat of the car. And he's about a life-size version of that. Anyway. Are you doing some last-minute double checks on your changing bag as well, just in case we forgot anything? Thank you. Right, I'm going to go and get the pram.
So Stephen is actually staying out for quite a bit longer, so I'm kind of hoovering and doing stuff like that, but I've also got some time for some breakfast because I forgot to eat today so far. But I'm also really gutted because I am really, I wanted to go to the So Me Sunshine open day, and it's just not been possible. We've got a party in South East London, we've got to get to my parents beforehand, and it's just one of those days that because Stephen has B and I've got so much to do at home when she's not here, it's just all got on top of me. So I'm really gutted, and I hope if anyone went you had a lovely time. I'm sure it's gorgeous. And I really hope that next year I can start to actually make these sewing events, because I'm just missing them left, right and centre. And it's pretty tricky though. I think it's just, if I have my car, I don't have a car at the moment either, so if I had that maybe I could just jump in and sort it out, but it just feels like a mountain to climb that I really need to get over next year, definitely, because I'm missing my friends and I'm also really missing supporting them, and yeah, I'm really missing that. So okay, next year.
Hey B, should we do today's Advent with Mum? Hello! Well, we're already late for leaving the house, but we have a baby, so hey.
Okay, so...
Oh gosh, it's very blurry.
Is it?
Yes, you are... Hang on, hold still. There it goes. It's just slow to catch
Okay,
up.
so day 14?
14. Well, it is today, so let's do that one. It's not one of my better poems.
Does it just say, it's in the...
Pretty much.
Your treat today, and please don't laugh, comes with a warning, don't fall asleep in the bath. Okay, so I'm thinking it's in the bath, but is it in the Jersey? No, that's a boat, a Jersey boat. Okay, in the bath, don't fall asleep in the bath.
Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. Here we go, B. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Ooh, what's Mummy found in the bath?
Bath salts! Oh, lavender, frankincense and bentonite to help you sleep. Oh, babe. Do you know what? This is so weird. I was in the shower earlier thinking, I hope someone gets me some bath stuff for Christmas.
Should we see it?
How good is that?
Yeah, it comes in its own jiffy bag.
Oh, so thank you so much. That is gorgeous.
You're welcome.
Right, let's
Onwards
go.
and upwards, let's go.
Woo! The one horse open sleigh, over hills we go, laughing on the way, making spirits bright, how fun it is to let the singers say it's like tonight. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way, oh what fun it is to ride